Welcome back and thank you for staying with Times. Now we're getting you the latest breaking news update with regards to the probe in the Indore water contamination case. In the latest, there's an official confirmation that the death toll now is up to 10. Remember, there are also allegations that have been made by the Congress party that the BJP government in Madhya Pradesh is trying to downplay the number of deaths after more than thousands of people were affected due to contaminated water in Bhagirathpura area of Indore. Last night, the councillor confirmed that there is a probe that is underway to find out what led to the contamination of the water supply. My colleague Shivam is with us. The death toll as of now, as per official estimate, Shivam, is 10. There is a confirmation that has come in from authorities, but there are also allegations that there is an attempt being made to downplay the numbers, to also fudge the data with regards to the number of accused. What is the latest update? Where are you? Get us a ground update.
Exactly, Sagrita. This is the confusion regarding the number of death when it comes to in the particular area is again increasing, while the officials till yesterday CM said 4, then the MLA comes and said there are 8 to 9 deaths, and then suddenly now we are seeing now 10 deaths have been confirmed, although the ex gratia which was announced was only given to 7 to 8 people, out of which one person has refused to get this idea. We are currently reporting from just inside the office of the councillor, and we will try and have a word with him as well. Sir, एक बार अगर आप बताएं एक बार,
एक पूरा तो हो जाए लाइव है क्या?
जो बातें हो रही हैं,
हाँ,
आज 10 बोली जा रही हैं, आपके कॉलोनी से पता लग रहा है कि 14।
एक मिनट आ जाइए ना। हाँ, अभी हमारे क्षेत्र में जो जानकारी प्राप्त हुई है, लगभग 115 से अधिक डेथ होगी। चूंकि मैं इस क्षेत्र में रहता हूं और जो भी इस क्षेत्र में घटना हुई है, दुर्घटना हुई है और उसके कारण किसी भी प्रकार से जनहानि हुई है, तो निश्चित रूप से परिवार में
ऑफिशियली 10 बताई जा रही हैं, 15। ये दिक्कतें क्यों है?
बात पूरी बंद जिंदगी। तो जब मैं बात बोल रहा हूं, मैं एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूं कि हमारे क्षेत्र के 16 लोगों की 8 दिन के अंदर में डेथ हुई है और 8 लोगों को कल माननीय मंत्री जी के हाथों, चूंकि इसमें कोई उसकी कीमत नहीं हो सकती जो जनहानि हुई है, लेकिन गरीब क्षेत्र के लोग हैं उनको सहयोग करते हुए हम लोगों ने 8 स्थानों पर वो भी किया है, सहयोग कर सकते जो करा है। 2 लोगों को और नाम लिखवाएं कि उनके भी होना चाहिए, और बाकी भी जो हमारी सब कार्यकर्ता और जनता के माध्यम से जो जानकारी मिली है, हमारे यहाँ डेथ 15 से ज्यादा हो गई है।
15 से ज्यादा हुई हैं। तो जब वो अस्पताल में आप बात कर रहे हैं, वो 10 बोल रहे हैं, आपको क्या बताया जा रहा है कि आपकी 5 और डेथ और है, वो रजिस्टर क्यों नहीं हो रही है? क्या ये दबाने की बात हो रही है? क्या चीजें हो रही हैं?
चूंकि मैं इस क्षेत्र का पार्षद हूं और यहाँ हमारे घर घर संपर्क हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं का जनता के, इसलिए यहाँ जो भी घटना होती है हमें पता लग जाती है। कई बार ऐसा हुआ है उस क्राइसिस में कि चूंकि भयानक स्थिति थी, तो जब किसी के घर में कोई व्यक्ति बीमार होता था तो वो पहली प्रायोरिटी नहीं थी कि वो सिस्टम को फॉलो करे। मैं डिस्पेंसरी जाऊं, कहीं लिखवाऊं कि मेरा घर का व्यक्ति बीमार हो गया, उसको तो ये पड़ी थी कि मेरा व्यक्ति जिंदा रहना चाहिए।
तो 48 घंटे से ऊपर हो चुके हैं, अभी भी ये चीज नहीं है।
सुन लीजिए आप, 2 मिनट बात तो पूरी सुन लीजिए।
आप मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि रेगुलर, मैं आपसे समझना चाह रहा हूं कि 48 घंटे से ज्यादा हो चुके हैं, अभी भी कभी 4 आ रही हैं, एमएलए साहब 8 से 9 बोलते हैं।
सुन रहे बात को, मेरी बात तो पूरी सुन लीजिए ना, आपको उत्तर मिलेगा। आप अगर मेरी सुनेंगे तो उत्तर मिलेगा। आप दोबारा ले लीजिए अगल अपनी बात में मजा नहीं, थोड़ा ठीक कर लीजिए ना उसको। लाइव हो, ओके। तो मेरा ये कहना है कि जो लोग जिस समय घटनाएं हो रही थी, वो लोग अपने अपने स्तर पे, कोई मोहल्ले के क्लिनिक में गया, उसने डॉक्टर के पास गया, दवाई ले ली और 4 घंटे में डेथ हो गई उसकी, तो उसका रिकॉर्ड नहीं है उसके ऊपर। किसमें? सिस्टम पर रिकॉर्ड नहीं है कि स्वास्थ्य विभाग में रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, इसलिए उनके पास जो लोग आए थे, हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती हुए थे, वो लोग डेथ हो गई, उन लोगों को उन्होंने रिकॉर्ड पे ले लिया। हमारे मंत्री जी और महापौर जी और सारे नेता लगे हैं कि उनके नाम जुड़ना चाहिए, और 2 नाम कल जुड़वाए हमने। अब और जो आ रही है, हमको जानकारी आ रही है, उनके कागज बुला रहे हैं, उनकी जानकारियां बुला रहे हैं, उन सबको हम उसमें जुड़वाते जा रहे हैं। हम तो स्वीकार कर रहे हैं ना भैया कि 15 लोगों की डेथ हो चुकी है हमारे क्षेत्र में।
So you can see the clear difference between what the authorities are claiming. On record, the ward councillor of this area is saying that we are claiming that there have been more than 15 deaths that have been confirmed. However, the authorities are yet now saying there are only 10 deaths. So the question arises when it comes to ex gratia, when it comes to particular funding, why even after 48 hours a proper system has not been in place when it comes to registering exact number of days, and the actual data is something that is not coming from the authorities now.
No, and you know, Shivam, keep talking to the councillor because there's more information that's coming to the fore. It's absolutely shocking that the state says that there are you know, till last night they confirmed that the casualty figure, the death figure is 10, and now live on Times Now, the councillor says that as per information available, there are 16 people who've lost their lives. Why is there this kind of a this kind of a mess, this kind of a confusion with regards to how many people have lost their lives after drinking contaminated water?
Well, right now, as you can see, he's currently occupied in this meeting. But again, what we tried to understand from his was basically right now, what according to him is that the numbers that are currently coming from the authorities is something which is the deaths inside the hospital premises and not something which is outside, while the deaths happening outside some respective home on their way is yet not registered, which is again a major question, a major lack from the part of the hospital authorities for the administrative authorities, because on one hand side, when we are saying that we are announcing ex gratia of 2 lakh, till the time we don't have the exact clarity on the numbers, how can ex gratia be announced? Till yesterday there were officially only 4 deaths, but till today morning ex gratia to 8 people were given. So again, these clear discrepancies when it comes to authorities, the municipalities, is something that is again coming to the forefront. And remember, councillor was the same person who has written the letter to the chief minister saying that the engineers and the commissioners are not listening to the commands of the mayor. So again, a total internal conflict coming out.
Apathy. And this is negligence, and there is an attempt, you know, to cover up the magnitude of this kind of criminal negligence, which led to the deaths of more than 15 people. If we just go by the numbers as stated by ministers, as stated by officials in Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Kailash Vijayvargiya yesterday said that more than 1,500 people have been affected after drinking contaminated water. He gave another number too while speaking to the media yesterday. He said about 198 people were hospitalized. Then he also said till yesterday the death toll was between 8 to 9. In the night, the confirmation goes up to 10. And now the councillor says that 16 people have lost their lives. What exactly is happening in Indore? And the state government is now giving an assurance that they are going to ensure things are going to get better. But how? If we just look at the number of contradictions coming in, if you look at the number of the kind of negligence that has happened over months, when was the first complaint given? Shivam, give us a timeline. What are you gathering? You're on the ground. When was the first complaint given to authorities that there is something wrong with the water supply? It is contaminated water that is being supplied.
Sagarika, it all started on 25th of December when certain complaints were made by the councillor eventually to the authorities that there is a foul smell in the water. 4 days later, 29th, the situation escalates. There are people getting admitted in the hospital. There is a situation of diarrhea, and then the first death is registered on 29th of December. Today it's 2nd of January, 4 days, but even after 4 days there has not been able to establish any single point of contact. Remember, these people are going to each and every hospital nearby, and then the chief medical officer is gathering the data. The last press release that came also gave the data about how many people were admitted, how many are getting treatment, but no official number when it comes to deaths till last night. And today also nothing has been said on record. We are all bringing the news from the sources, so nothing has been said on record. The chief medical officer on one hand side is saying that we are currently investigating the matter. The MLA, the urban minister, is saying that we are investigating the matter, but we are only hearing about these assurances. But the numbers, the facts is something that is still not coming out of Indore about who are the actual people who have suffered. We have been on the ground, and again there is a lot of uncertainty. People from all over the colony are currently admitted in the hospital, but when it comes to the official numbers, it is something that is still not out from their part. We have just seen how there is a major contradiction.
There were multiple complaints. There were complaints. Locals spoke about how the water is acidic. Locals spoke about foul smell, that the water is dirty. Complaints fell on deaf ears. Why did the bureaucracy keep pipes from getting fixed? Who allowed this to go on? Let's also now tell our viewers about what the mayor has been saying. There is a report that has come out, and this report also has, these are lab reports. There are shocking findings here about the level of contamination. And here's the mayor with the latest update.
इसको लेकर आज से 6 महीने पहले भी मैंने निर्देश दिए थे कि भागीरथपुरा में या ऐसी कुछ 3-4 जगह और जहां से 311 पे या मुख्यमंत्री हेल्पलाइन पर गंदे पानी की सूचना मिल रही है, वहां तुरंत सारी नाइट बदलने के निर्देश दिए थे। भागीरथपुरा की कई सारी लाइनों को बदलने के टेंडर भी 7वें महीने में लग गए थे, पर अभी तक वो स्वीकृत नहीं हुए। उसकी फाइल भी मैंने पूरी बुलाकर देखी है और कमिश्नर को निर्देशित किया है कि इसकी पूरी इंक्वायरी करें और दोषियों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करें। इस पूरे विषय से मैंने
Shivam is keeping us up to speed with all the developments in the Indore water contamination deaths. The first complaint, viewers, was given 2 months ago in the month of October. Thank you, Shivam, for getting us all those details. We're keeping a close watch on that story. Time now for us to take a